Hey guys, I'm here into Cheese Home.
You said it the wrong way though. Silly idea.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how are you feeling? Sorry, you know, sorry, come here. I'm so scared. You having a baby?
Fucking shit.
You're not supposed to deal with that. You're not alone. Okay? So whatever you decide, I'm here for you, right?
She shouldn't be having a
I
kid.
don't think I'm ready to be a mum. But I also don't think I could give it up for adoption. There is another alternative.
Termination.
Yeah, I don't think I can do that either.
Well, you've got to do something.
I'm sorry. I've got a really big decision to make, and I don't even think so.
Hi. Same time?
What for this?
Everything was the big,
Fucking shit.
door. I can just leave it here.
Actually, I'm going to talk to you.
Sure.
I'll take that.
Thank you.
They're lovely.
Who doesn't sleep with her? Is he?
Are you sure you're feeling better?
I have something massive to tell you.
Okay.
On treatment.
Hey, come on, guys. That'll freak me out. What is that?
I'm pregnant. It's Josh's.
Do you know that for sure?
She was honest. I'm so sorry for dumping all of this on you. Just because I need a friend right now.
That's alright. Whatever you need.
Gases. Don't tell him it's mine. Tell him it's mine.
Straight from
This is great working, eh?
on the run. The answers are being demanded after notorious murderer and paedophile Philip John Smith somehow boarded the plane to Chile after being let out on an overnight home visit. We investigate how he was able to exploit the system to get a passport and detail what went wrong. Aucklanders crashed the website as new council valuations for their homes are revealed. A quarter century after the Cold War, Berlin celebrates 25 years since the war.
It's hard to believe, eh? 25 years ago, that came, yeah?
Been ahead for Cup Day preparation. See in a few minutes at 6.
Yeah, it's amazing, you know, just the shit that I've seen in my lifetime. Not yourself, the stuff you've seen in your lifetime, and imagine the stuff that she's